In this presentation, I am going to discuss value addition of minerals. First of all, we can see graphite. If you consider graphite, we can explain a lot of extended value addition opportunities, especially graphene, expanded graphene, graphite powder, lubricants, ink, crucible, pencils, battery, solar cells, etc. These are just only value additions opportunities. Later on, then I will hope to discuss one by one uh, uh, each value addition opportunity related process with flow charts. Other one, beach mineral sand. Once we consider beach mineral sand, it has ilmenite, rutile, monazite, and garnet and quartz. Uh, First of all, we have to separate beach mineral sands and do the value addition. Uh, Extended value addition opportunities regarding beach mineral sand, titanium metal, titanium sponge, titanium dioxide, paint product, titanium fine powder, titanium ultrafine powder, zircon metal, synthetic rutile, zirconium dioxide, zirconium powder, zirconium ultrafine powder, rare earth metal, and rare earth oxides. These are just value addition opportunities. Later on, then we have to discuss each and every process with flow charts and their details. Feldspar. This is another mineral because uh, there are a lot of extended value addition opportunities regarding feldspar. Cement, ceramic items, um, porcelains, cosmetics, medicines, paint product, rare earth extractions, glass productions, plastics, rubber and adhesive manufacturing. So that means there are lots of value addition opportunities, but we have to discuss each and every process with details the later on because once we value add each and every mineral, because we can earn lots of foreign incomes. Other one, limestone. Mainly when we are discussing limestone, because we remember a lot of value additions, especially cements, quick limes, we call the calcium oxide, ceramic items, porcelain items, mortar, cosmetics, medicines, paint product, and soil as a soil conditioner. Because without limestones we can't do anything, because then main product is the cement. Without cement we can't do other developments. Okay. Dolomite. Dolomite actually calcium and magnesium bearing mineral. It has lot of extended value addition opportunities. Manufacturing of sintering agents, tile or marble, countertops, bricks, magnesium metal, magnesia, glass, synthesis of pure calcium carbonate, nanoparticles for dolomite, uh, from dolomite for paint, uh, ceramic items, porcelain items, cosmetics, medicine, paint product, refractory bricks, bitumen mixture, and as a flux in blast furnace, etc. Because we can see lots of value addition opportunities, because we are using or we are doing a low valuation value addition. because then we can't gain a lot of profits because we have limited resources. Once we are using these resources, carefully we have to study. So then value addition process. Other special mineral is the clay. If you consider clay, a lot of extended value addition opportunities. Produce ceramic items, porcelain items, filters, construction bricks, cosmetics, medicines, filter, paint product, etc. Because clay can play a major role in society. Because without clay, then very difficult to produce eco-friendly uh, items. So then, if you consider this clay, it has a long history because using clay we produce different cups and plates and so on. So that's why in addition we have to consider there are very special clay like montmorillonite because using this clay we can produce some cosmetics and medicines. It has a lot of profit margin and a lot of value additions as well as we can gain foreign incomes also. So that means we have to carefully study what are the major value addition opportunities each and every mineral. Apatite. Apatite also can play a major role in, especially in agriculture industry, because if you are going to produce triple superphosphate, single superphosphate, then we have to use apatite because it has a low solubility property. However, we have to do some validation process. We have to produce TSP and SSP. It has a, significant water soluble property. So then we can use this fertilizer in our crops and agriculture. In addition, apatite powder, synthesis of pure apatites, nanoparticles, extractions of rare earth elements. These are the other avenues, but we have to carefully study each and every uh, value addition opportunity, and then we have to make a cash flow, and we have to prepare the process flow, and we have to analyze that what is the best uh, value addition opportunity among these value addition opportunities. Because of we always keep in mind, then we have limited resources for next generations. Other one, silica sands. It also has lot of extended value addition opportunities, especially glass, ceramic industry, manufacturing of calcium silicate bricks, water filtrations, producing casting sands, paint and coating constructions, ceramic and refractory industries, and abrasive industries also. Because if you consider glass industry, because nowadays you can see a lot of smartphones, but we have to produce that smartphones glasses. So that means template glasses. So that means we have to use silica sands or quartz powders. So that means then it has high value additions. So, but each and every process we have to carefully, technically analyze and what are the basic needs to start this value addition process and what are the uh, profit enhancement in each and every value addition process, and we have to check whether what are the environmental issues also. That is very important thing. If you are doing whatever value addition, we have to think about the environmental issues. This is very carefully. Once if we are doing processing, then we have to do minimum environmental damage uh, methodologies. We have to use minimum environmental damage methodologies. So we can't do zero, but we have to minimize environmental pollutions. Other one, mica. Mica has a lot of extended value addition opportunities, especially manufacturing insulation components, productions of mineral paints, productions of mica scraps, and other mica related products, mica sheets, mica nuts, and etc. Because mica has a very specific insulation property. So then due to this case, we have to produce different parts by using mica, especially then that means like gaskets like that. So then in addition, uh, the mica produce mica, we can use in different processing instruments. We have to produce mica powder and then we can sell. Not only that, we can do some chemical reactions. So then we have to produce different color and paints, and then so then we have to do maximum value addition uh, opportunities regarding mica mineral. Other one, gems. In Sri Lanka, gems, if you consider the gems, this is more popular because using gems, we have to produce jewelries, or then we have to cut and polish the big gems, and other one then semi-precise gems. So then we have to do some heat treatment, then we have to add more and more value. Especially gems, that is actually another stream, but gems can give a large value addition to each and every countries. So that means then actually this is another subject, another area we have to discuss. Okay. Then iron ore, other one, because in Sri Lanka, uh, Panirendawa, Dela, and Buttala, there are some iron deposits. But how do you add value for these iron deposits? Especially energy consumption and energy cost is the major problem. But however, then we have to try to and we have to analyze what are the possible way to value additions, and then we have to make more and more income to country, as well as then we have to produce different uh, equipments using these iron and metals. Other one, salt. In the salt, because we have to produce different type of salt product. There are a lot of extended value addition opportunities. Table salt, iodized salts, sea salt, gray salt, pink salt, as well as Himalayan black salt. Not only that, there are a lot of uses uh, about the salt. More than 50-60 value addition processes are available. However, carefully, we have to address each and every process, and we have to technically, then you have to check the feasibility of each and every possible, and economically viability aspects you have to check, and then you have to do more value additions because Sri Lanka is island. Around Sri Lanka there is a sea, as well as we have a sufficient heat also. So that's why then mainly we have to focus different value addition opportunities, more than 50-60 value addition opportunity regarding salt and salt production. Other one, water. Water is actually is not a mineral. I see mineral, but we have to add water. We have to. There are some extended value addition opportunities for water, especially the natural water bottling, and then mineral water. So then we have to produce. Then we have to observe. We have to analyze where there is the opportunity to. Then we have to sell this valuable water, and then we have to gain more incomes and more economically opportunities. Quartz. Earlier we discussed silica sand, the one the quartz. It has lot of value additions. So then, especially then 99 plus vein quartz is available in Sri Lanka. Then using this quartz, then you have to produce grits, and then you have to produce fine powder, and then we can export these things, and then we have to obtain a lot of money. But then we have to produce use quartz or another classes by using these quartz. So that means our value addition margin is very high, but we have to think about energy cost as well as then capital investment is a little bit bigger, as well as purity of quartz also is very high. That means 99.9995 level we have to upgrade it if we are going to make chips or electronic items. But each and every extended value addition opportunity has a story. So then we have to check whether what's economically feasibility, environmental impact, and then what are the capital cost, and then cash flow, then and internal returnal value, and we have to study those things, and then we have to go to major value additions. Then in this presentation, I discuss what are the minerals, and among these mineral, there are a lot of valuable, very valuable minerals are there, and each and every mineral has a lot of value addition opportunities. But these are only just process. But before, when we are going to invest money, or when you are going to apply these value addition opportunities, or if you are going to implement these value addition opportunities carefully, then we have to do some feasibility study, and economically feasibility, technically feasibility, environmental feasibility, those things. Then we have to study all aspects, and then we have to check, and then we have to take a decision. It's good or not to invest money for this extended value addition opportunity. Especially in mineral processing engineers, they have their task, their responsibilities. Then you have to analyze the economically, as well as technically, as well as market analyze. A lot of key features we have to study, and then check, and we have to take a real conclusion. This investment can worth or not. Okay, so that's the just brief idea about the value extended value addition opportunity. But in future, then we have to discuss each and every extended value addition process, and regarding flow charts, and their techniques, and then what type of machineries and plants we use, environmental issues, what are the basic needs. We are going to start these things. Okay, thank you very much.